Hey guys, this is going to just be a quick video of, I guess you can't see the logo, 2021 Kohler Highline. Don't worry, that's just sediment from the well. We just opened the camp up yesterday. This is where the Jacuzzi Perfecta was, 2011, but I wanted an elongated one, so found this at the Restore for $60, I think it was. I can't remember if the date is on this side. Maybe. Oh. See if I can focus that. Maybe. Can't tell if you can see that. It's a weird angle. But yeah, 2021. Show you the tank. Hold on. Alright, there's the tank. Unfortunately, it has a 300 fill valve. I wish it had a 400, but we'll see how long this one lasts. Give it a quick flush. Oh, it's got this style handle too. All right, here we go. Seems to be okay. I don't see any leaks, although that would be an error on my part, not the toilet. So yeah, that's just a quick update on the bathroom out here. Thanks for watching.